You can handle it.
Once I can find a way.
Once I can find a way. If you slumped over every day.
He did it again.
Look at it again.
Get it, get it.
Get it. I'm going. Stop it.
You got to bore it out a little bit.
Yeah, I told you.
Did the other one work?
The other one went in all the way, yeah. Just I gotta bore this one out more.
Pull it out and bring it in. Pull it out, bring it in. No, leave that one in there. Fuck it.
This one?
Yeah. Oh shit.
What?
Come cat.
Oh shit, put this shit down.
Oh, wait, we did.
Fuck that cigar. Good old cigar.
I used
Wait, all that
to
stuff.
smoke the blacks.
Yeah, me too.
Fuck, I be shit inside.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Hey. Still not going right. What's up, Cat? How's it going?
Are you okay?
Yeah, doing good.
Go on, cat. Is that alright?
What's that fucking noise? It's like a fucking UFO, man.
It's this. It's fucking real. Feels messed up. What the fuck?
Makes it go.
Not going in though.
So once you get this one,
Oh yeah, you service?
yeah, right now already have that.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna. I'll be right back, man. You got it?
Oh yeah, see you tomorrow.
Hey,
Huh?
switch one.
See you tomorrow.
What you following, nigga?
Hello?
Shit, nothing. Oh no.
Hey, make sure you help me. Right? We're gonna need that ladder out here because we're gonna get this shit tied together.
Great.
Yeah. Well, the extension one. Remember that gray one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
You can move my ladder, my truck's in the way.
Don't touch me.
I'll do it.
Do you have any extra guy, no? Extra guy? Extra. No. Yes, yes.
Got a tap, Collins. Oh shit, I was recording. Well, this is what it looks like now. So you put some washers on there, the tap guns. There you go. So you put some washers. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of hard to see. Not sure you can see that one. See, that's how it looks right now. So if you look, there's a mark on the wall that we made yesterday, right there. So we know that's the center of everything. That line is the center of where we wanted it. Because yesterday we put the meter and the disconnect, we just stacked on top of each other wherever we wanted it, and then we used that line to mark the center. So we just put this back where it was yesterday. We're gonna put some on top of it, and we drilled the hole in there. That's how this looks so far. So we got the Myers hub on the bottom. We got a washer underneath it. Underneath here, there's a washer. I don't know if you can see it that well, but you see the washer. And there's thread. We gotta put a grounding bushing, I think. And underneath here, in the gutter box, is the bottom of the Myers hub thing. See, that's the plastic insulator on the inside also. It's got a basic washer down there. We might need a grounding bushing, I'm sure. Yeah, we're gonna need one, so we'll put one. Okay. Now it's about time for that disconnect. Yeah, this fucking camera. I need to get a new fucking tripod.
Get yourself pussy, say they got a job.
Okay, that's working. How much? They be having clearance sales and shit. $49.99. Use a promo code whore.
Yeah, like, what the fuck?
That's fucked up.
Wait, what?
Alright, so now we got the meter in. Meter's in. So you got the piece on top, we got a piece of thread, we got that washer on there because the disconnect's gonna sit on there. If they say we need a Myers hub for there, that's gonna suck, but gonna take everything back off. We'll see. I'm trying to get this from another angle. Probably be able to see better from back here. Yeah, okay. Oh, he's gonna put it from up there down?
We're gonna pick it up. He's gonna line it up.
Oh. Alright, my bad.
You got the pipe that we're gonna measure here?
Yeah, didn't we have one that was 72 that you cut?
Where's that?
Oh, it's inside. I gotta go get it.
Oh yeah, that's it. You ready? I'm gonna put the disconnect on. Yeah. You know, let me get a little ladder, guys. A little ladder right here. So I'll put it right there. You put it on the left or right? So I can move the tripod.
Okay, so the disconnect's gonna be the same way, but I'm gonna go back more so I can see everything. As you can see, as much as possible. Alright, so the meter's already in now, it's set, it's good to go. So now putting the disconnect, marking holes, put a piece of conduit. You really have to see this, so.
So it's not lined up with the hole?
What's not? The LB? No, the LB can be moved. Remember you just strapped it yesterday, remember?
I know, but we gotta move it.
Yeah, we could
It'll move. The whole thing. You said good. Oh, no, I need one cups.
Yeah,
Get my impact. Yeah. Let me see. Let me get over there.
Oh wait, are you using that to open up the couplings? You need the square here for that. Alright, so watch the whole thing to see what we do. Yeah. Alright, what do you want to do? What is? What do you mean, the hole? No, the hole's good. Oh, no, well, look, it's right here. You gotta push it back. Look, it might go forward because I had to have it back up to the company. Just push it back. But the LB's good though. Just pull it back. Come on, let's strap it. Good now. All right. Want me to pick the pipe up? You're putting the pipe in right now?
Yeah, we're gonna get a measure.
Yeah, oh, that's what we're getting the measurement right.
Yeah, yeah, figure it out. Ready? Might pick it up and I'll get the pipe.
And you're gonna measure how much you need.
All right, man, gotta get up there.
Oh, you also need a new piece of conduit too. I used it the rest of that day. We need a new piece of 2-inch.
Hold it down.
That one goes.
Push it back. Push it back towards you. Get up your ass up there. Push it back towards you.
Oh, man. That's one.
Back. Ah, damn, you better get up there. Push it back towards you.
This is Bash. Hold on, Bash. Oh, my bad.
Get that down for a minute.
I'll get it down.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Hold on. Hold on. Just push it forward, Bash. Just push it forward.
Oh,
Right there. Push it back towards you. Back. Now, man, you gotta push that LB back towards you. Shoot it back.
I'll go do it.
Alright, go shoot.
What's on? Okay, hold it. Hold on, John. I'll do it.
Pussy.
Here, hold this right here. Yeah, hold the box. Sissy.
Alright, put it forward.
Put the box forward.
Push it towards back towards you.
I am. Oh, push it
The
up.
pipe. Not that. The LB, man.
It is.
I need it's not towards the hole. I need it back towards the north.
I am. Come on.
More.
Push it in, now put it in. Oh, hold on, wait. No, you need a screwdriver.
What?
The screws right here sticking out.
Well, take it up with your hand. It shouldn't be hard.
No, it's not going with my hand. I'm trying.
You said L. You said. Where's the L? We said 11 and one on
Get
top.
it through the hole.
All right, we said L be 11 and one on there. All right. Got that. Well, the heads go back this way. That way.
Now here you go. That's it. That's it.
See? Pick it up more, Bastion. Right there, right there. Oh shit.
One.
Hold on.
It's not enough, right?
Yeah, it's fine. Hold on.
Okay.
Back forward again. Okay. Pick it up, Bastion. There you go.
Pick it up.
I got it. Ah, fuck. Hold on, pick it up again. This is a crazy connector. Hold on, hold it there. Ah, shit.
What?
This is a fucking 2-inch rigid connector.
Oh, I got to be compression.
Yeah, 2-inch compression connector.
Go grab a compression real quick.
Son of a bitch, man.
Go grab one. We'll start putting the whole buns in.
All right, well, we got to pull this off. You got that? You can probably tighten it up there.
Yeah, I am.
All right, we'll see.
Can we tighten it up already?
Huh?
Tighten it up more. I'm going to tighten it more.
Yeah, go ahead. I got it. I'll be right back then.
All right, good.
Stick this up, sure.
Yeah, that's mine. I'll get it.